Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. If I return and subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So Khanyi Mbau went for a permanent surgery. She was tired of Botox and fillers that she was doing every 3 months. She had a blepharoplasty, which reduces heavy skin on eyelids and subnasal lip lift. So my question is,
what was the reason? What was the reason? What was the reason?
So she had to go all the way to Turkey to add shape to her lips. I don't know if she saw a woman who was trending from UK last week who came back in a body bag with this Turkey surgeries. I don't know what she wants to achieve because I thought bleaching was enough. She's in her 30s doing a facelift. To me, that's crazy. Imagine by the time that she will reach 45, 50, 60, how many surgeries would she have gone through? I can't wait to see her permanent look after going through all the pain and hassles and losing a lot of money because of this facelift. And to come think of it, some people have hidden low self-esteem that they battle with, hence they go through all the surgeries. It's sad if you think of it. It's very sad. Money makes people do crazy things. Sizotini, she's our very own Michael Jackson, this one. And we've reached a point that we won't even get shocked if you do anything. I hope after all this she won't put on makeup because the surgery would be pointless. Let me know what you think in the comment section. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed. See you in my next video.